all from Cordelia Cruises. Welcome back to day 2 of Cordelia. See the mesmerizing view from the cabin. If you missed watching day 1, please watch it. Hi friends, now it is day 2. I'm in my cabin and this is my card. And see the sunlight. Yesterday was raining, now it is nice view. Now we're gonna have a breakfast in starlight. Let's go. This is my breakfast plate. This is the deck by deck layout of the Cordelia Empress. On the second deck, there are boarding area, medical facility. On the third deck, there are staterooms. And the fourth deck, there are starlight dining room and state. On deck 5, there are photo gallery, chopsticks, chairman's club, guest services, shore excursion, Marcudator, starlight restaurant. On deck 6, there are Challenger VR, royal shops, Marcudator connections and cafe. Deck 7, 8, 9, mostly they are staterooms. On deck 10, there is Cordelia Academy, pools, food court, rock wall climbing. And the last one is sun deck and gym. Today, in this video, we will try to cover deck 5 and 6. Hi friends, now we're going to explore the ship in 5th floor. Let's go. This is a Marcudator where most of the shows like Balle Balle show, Magic show and many more takes place. Now we are going to Chairman's Club. This is the entry of the Chairman's Club and this is the exit. We're gonna have a beautiful sea view. This is a Challenger video arcade. Here are some games to play like table tennis, machine game, VR games and billiards too. I like this VR bike game. I will try this after lunch. Let's continue exploring more. This is the photo gallery place. While boarding, they will take some pics and they will place the pics here on the board. You can select and take them later. We selected these for a memory. This is a starlight restaurant. The same starlight is in the photo too. It's lunchtime. The food is very tasty and kids friendly too. This is the another restaurant, Chopsticks. This is the lounge area with the sea view. Some games are also organized in this area. Best spot of cruise is watching the waves from the window while sailing. This is the box office where we can book some important shows, games and events happening around. This is the main atrium. It is so beautiful. See, my little sister is enjoying the cruise. sixth deck is full of shopping. Can you see here? There is Mercudator on sixth deck too. Let's get inside. Here is the jewelry shop. Our room key card is used for shopping. If anything you forgot to take to the cruise, not to worry. Everything is available in royal shops here. But we cannot use Indian rupees here. We need to pay in US dollars only. That is the Mercudator entrance in 6th deck. After lunch, we came back to entertainment zone to play the VR bike game. This was so thrilling and amazing experience. The crew organized some balloon activity for kids. I took part and finally I made sword and gun. Then we all came to relax for a while watching the ocean from the window in the lounge area. It was so soothing for all of us. My sister enjoyed dancing to the music in the atrium area. Let's go to the Mercudator. Hi friends, now I am in a Mercudator. We are going to see the Balle Balle show. It will start in 5 minutes. Let's enjoy the Balle Balle show. If you come to Cordelia, don't miss the Balle Balle show. Now we are going to have snacks at food court on deck 10. I am ready for the new adventure. Watch till the end. It's a rock wall climbing on a moving cruise. Look at the beautiful back view of the sailing cruise. Thank you for watching. Day 3 video will be shore excursion at Kochi. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.